It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
I don't wanna leave, but I gotta go right now. And I'll be back to slay this wig. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Your girl is feeling better, feeling great, because I am blessed and highly favored. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe and washing your hands and wearing your mask and all that good jazz. All right, today's video is sponsored by the one and only Shanise Nicole. Most likely, if it's a synthetic wig, it's gonna be sponsored by me. Okay, because we all know I'm a human whore. I love a great synthetical slay. Don't get me wrong, all right? But I can slay a human hair wig, okay? So we got the synthetical. We got another synthetical. The wig that I am wearing today is by Jenna Collection. It is a part of their Natural Me Blowout collection. It is 100% premium fiber. It is HD lace. You know it's not. It does come with a deep part lace, 100% hand tied on Swiss lace. Special knotting on the nape. I still don't know what that means. Ear to ear soft Swiss lace. This wig is heat resistant safe up to 360 degrees. I have this wig in the style Willow in the color number 1. All right, yo, yeah, y'all see Miss Willow? She on the stock car looking good, looking great. All right, y'all, so y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm gonna drop those cons on you, then we're gonna jump right into the pros, and then we're gonna wrap this video on up, because I'm going back to the couch, y'all. I'm not 100%, but I'm better, okay? I gotta push through, because I got some work to do. I got some human hair wigs that's coming out, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can check out the human hair, okay? And I like to razzle dazzle and sprinkle with a little synthetical every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Because I do what I want because I'm popping. I have 2 cons when it comes to this wig, y'all. The first con is that this wig shades. It sheds a whole lot. Here is some of the shedding just from me sitting here, running my hands through the hair, you know, trying to look good before I come on camera so I can give y'all the best that I got. Baby, yes, so it does shed, so be mindful of that. Another con with this wig is it tangles. It tangles at the bottom of the wig, and it tangles like right up here in this area because it's like a little bit of filler hairs. But when I put my wax stick and hot comb on it, it did smooth it out a lot, so it feels a lot better. But if you do decide to purchase this wig, just be mindful that it does shed and it does snag, all right? And this wig is bringing all the heat, okay? I'm coming in hot, like they say on the TikTok. I'm coming in hot, hot, hot. Yeah, this wig hot, y'all. It's hot, and I'm just sitting here in my air conditioned office, and I'm still hot. So just be mindful. It's not really a lot of cons to say about this wig. Like I said, there is filler hairs, but it isn't as many filler hairs in this unit as it was in AUDRINA. I think that's the last Jenna Collection wig that I did. Make sure you check that video out. I'll leave it up here in the little card. Or I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Y'all, I'm trying to be a better YouTuber, you know, but I ain't no guru, you know. I'm just Shanise Nicole, yo. Like, I I just do what I want on my channel because it's my channel. Let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the lace. The lace did blend down really well. As you know, I do have on this wig glueless, and I do have on my wig grip because I didn't want it to slide back. I didn't feel like spraying down anything. I was being real lazy today. But you know, you can still go outside and serve minimum scalp on a platter. A next pro is the hair texture. I am here for this natural me blowout texture. It's so beautiful. It's so soft. And even though it does have snags, the ends don't feel all hard and crunchy. The hair still feels really soft. It moves and grooves like it's supposed to. I don't want to shake it too much because I don't want my curls to move because, you know, this side is looking good. Looking real good. Yeah. Put your hands on your knees. Shake it real fast. Hey, y'all, I am ratchet, okay? Like, y'all just get a little taste of me, but I'm ratchet. Let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet. And the thing about it is, I be turning up with myself, y'all. I be turning up with myself. In August, it'll be a year I've been in Hawaii. And can y'all believe I ain't got no friends? I ain't got no friends. I don't want no friends. I ain't met nobody. I ain't looking for nobody. I just be doing me. Another pro I would have to say is that I do love the curls. I felt like straight out the pack they were going to be really tight. And I was going to look real curly Sue, old lady type-ish. But once I brushed them out, they're falling pretty good. You do have layers in this wig, but I feel like one side of the wig always hit and the other side is always like, yeah. Because this side, you know, the layers kind of acting up. What y'all think? They're cute. The layers in the wig are cute, but I just feel like this is always my good side. Because left is where it's at. Okay? Y'all keep forget that right is right and all that crap. Left is where it's at. It's not really a whole lot for me to say about this wig because I feel like this wig is AUDRINA but longer. I don't understand why companies release their natural hair texture wigs when it's about to get hot outside. This is a beautiful wig. It is giving me, what's the wig? I did it. Letitia. It is giving me Letitia vibes, but you don't have the 13x6 parted space. You just have the lace part right here. And I feel like it looks good with the middle part. It looks really good. I am giving what I was supposed to give, okay? Like, you can't be mad at a wig. I think this wig is very beginner friendly. It is affordable. To me, it's a throw on and go. You know, you might got to go in and fix up the parting space a little bit, but it wasn't as bad as AUDRINA. All right. Would I purchase it again? I don't think so because it's too long for me. It's too long. I think one is enough. And once I retire this one, it's like, all right, I'm done. But I don't feel like it's too much hair, even though it's hot because of the texture. The density is just right. I know a lot of these wigs get compared to the Nise wigs. I feel like they're in two different lanes. Nise is thick. Thick. She make me stutter. But I feel like the density on the Janet Collection wigs, they hit it just right every time. Once again, I would like to shout out Shanise Nicole for sponsoring today's video. If you are not following Shanise Nicole on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _ go ahead and hit the link down below in the description box and then go to Instagram and hit that blue button and follow your girl, okay? If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions or just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.